Well, that arrived quickly. So about a week ago, I decided to make the investment and buy an Ooni Koda 16. Ooni then advised me that it was going to be about 4 to 6 weeks for the delivery of this. And yet here we are, 3 or 4 days later, and it's arrived. I can't believe it. So we've scrapped all the other plans for the weekend and we're going to do pizza. But first, let's unbox it. Welcome to Tom Voyage. Today, in this unboxing, we'll be looking at this, the Ooni Koda 16. Right, let's get it open. Wow, this is so big compared to the Karoo. Wow. As some of you may know, I already own the Ooni Karoo, and already this looks so much bigger. Right, let's see what's in the box. Okay, so this is our warranty information and some information on setting it up. Okay, so the first thing we come to is the pizza stone. Now already this looks so big. I'm worried I'm going to drop it actually, so I need to be careful with this. It's a different shape to the other pizza stones. It comes out at the sides here. It's an indication of how big the oven's going to be. Then you get your Ooni logo as well in there. We've also got some more safety instructions. And then that's the attachment for the gas. Alright, big reveal. Look at the size of this thing. It looks like it's going to be heavy. Well, it's actually not too bad for the size of it. Right, I think we need to move this box out of the way. So here it is. I'm so excited to see this. I don't know if stretching out a 16-inch pizza is going to be much harder, but I guess we'll see. Right, let's take the plastic off. I have to say, one of the things I love about Ooni's is the packaging. It's really environmentally friendly. There's hardly any plastic on this. Okay, so we'll get the legs out. We've got something here. Okay, so that just fell off the bottom of it. It's like a dog tag with information on it. Basically just says to use propane with it. Okay, so look at this thing. It's absolutely enormous. So big actually that the table I usually have the Ooni on, I had to swap it out because there's just no way this one would fit. So first job, put the pizza stone in. I quite like that about these. They've got a hole underneath so you can push the pizza stone up and down. Makes it a little bit easier to remove it when you need to clean it. And then we'll remove the plastic from the gas attachment. there you go. This might look different depending on where you are in the world. But in the UK, we get a red one. You also get one of these. I've seen a few people asking what this is. And what it's for is you put a match in the end here, so if your clicker isn't working, you can light it safely with a match. I've never had to use this though on my other Ooni. Okay, so the setup's really easy. Literally, once you unbox it, you take the legs and unfold them, put the pizza stone in, connect this to gas, and you're ready to go. Just noticed a sticker on it as well that we have to remove. It says, don't look directly into the oven when lighting it. Guess that's kind of obvious. Right, I've got my propane. Let's get it attached. Okay, here goes. Let's light it for the first time. Wow. Do you know what I love about this? How the flames go round the back and then round the side as well. I feel like that's going to give a really intense heat and cook the pizza really evenly as well. Okay, so we've tested the oven out and it definitely works. Let's move it to one side because I actually got something else with this order. I decided to get another pizza peel because mine are all the 12-inch ones, which will be too small for this oven. So let's unbox this. Alright, so there we go. That's the 16-inch pizza peel from Ooni. This one is a non-perforated peel, which means it doesn't have the holes in. But it's a nice big size and it should help launching those 16-inch pizzas into this oven much easier. I just wanted to add as well, reading the warranty card, you get a 3-year warranty with this, but you've got to register it within 60 days, so make sure you do that. Right, let's get the oven turned on and see how long it takes to heat up. I love it when they look like this, brand new, amazing. Okay, so we're up to temperature, so let's get this pizza on. So this is the 4th pizza we've cooked on this one now, and already I'm finding it really different to using the Karoo. Regardless of the size, I think it takes a little bit longer to heat up, but what I was finding was the heat in the top of the oven was really intense, so much so that the bottom of the pizza wasn't cooking as quick as the top. So it's nice to have that dial on the side so you can dial it down a bit to reduce the heat to let the bottom of the pizza cook more quickly. So that brings us to the end of this video. We cooked about 6 pizzas this evening on the Koda 16, and I have to say I really enjoyed using it. Because this only uses gas, it's an absolute breeze to set up. It was set up in a few minutes. As soon as you connect that gas, you turn it on and you're away to go. And I love how much space there is as well. It feels like there's so much room, especially coming from the Ooni Koda, which is only designed for 12-inch pizzas. It seems like you have loads of space to move around the pizzas in the oven. So much so, in fact, we found it really hard to stretch dough out to 16 inches. I've never done it before, and my wife, who usually helps me with the pizzas, she struggled as well because we're just not used to making pizzas that size. So most of them were coming out at like 13 or 14 inches, so we need to improve our pizza game on getting those really big style pizzas. I found that the oven heated up really quickly. Within about 20 minutes it was hot enough to cook the pizzas. The stone's nice and big. We did get a couple of flare-ups just because of a bit of cornmeal left over on the top of the surface of the stone. But overall, like anything, it's a learning curve. The more you use these type of ovens, the more used to them you'll get. I would especially recommend these if you like doing parties and entertaining guests. Having that extra room and making those bigger pizzas will mean you'll be able to feed more people in a shorter space of time. Or of course if you've got a big family. So thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Please remember to click like and subscribe for more videos about unis and pizza ovens. It's what I'm into, and if you're into it as well, I'm sure you'll enjoy my other videos. Thanks very much, and we'll catch you in the next one.